Bago pa naman yung Tacoma, no? Eto guys, yung mga aksidente dito sa US pagka nagkaroon ng collision, talagang wasak. Parehong kabayan pa naman yung involved. Tapos ito ina-arrange na ngayon ng pulis.
Okay, yeah. So besides you critiquing my personal life,
Yung nakasagupan niyang pick-ups nandito sa kabila.
my truck gets here, you're good to go. All they're gonna need is the ignition key, and once you release it, then you guys go home. Alright, sir. Have a better night, okay?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the tow truck.
Talagang wasak, no?
Yeah.
Wasak. Bago pa naman yung Tacoma, no? Sa'yo ba, Trey? Ito? Bali, ikaw nakamaneho kanina. Tapos ito, itowing na ito.
Hinihintay ko. Towing.